Hey guys, it's Jason here, and so today I'm going to be unboxing something. And so the thing I'm going to be unboxing today is this. And the name is Snap Circuits Jr. by Elenco. It says build over 100 exciting projects. And it says have fun learning all about electronics. It contains over 30 parts. Create your own exciting experience. It literally says ages 8 to 108. So I guess you and your great-great-grandpa can work on this together. So it illustrates a lot of different stuff on the back. Here's what it looks like on the back. There's a few different circuits and stuff. So get a good look at that. Oh, and if you don't have any batteries, be sure you remind your parents to get the batteries, kids. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. You have to get it out of the box like this, and then... it looks like a pedal board to me. It said, okay, so first, right here, we have the Snap Circuits layout, black layout here. I think that's it's like form of directions. We have an instruction manual here. Alright, let me see if I can pull the thing out, the plastic thing out. You can! Okay, I'm gonna put the box off to the side here. And, looks like there's a lot of gadgets here. And so this is... whoops. So this is what it looks like inside the little plastic thing here. Clearly they aren't secure, so don't drop them. All right, so let me try to put this back. I don't want to lose any parts. I have chosen to do Project 11 on the guidebook here, Flying Saucer. The objective, it says Flying Saucer. Objective, to make a circuit that launches the fan blade to simulate a flying saucer. It's gonna launch the fan blade. I think it's this. Oh yeah, it's this thing right here. The blade. Oh, this is the panel. Yeah, this is the panel that we're gonna put the project on, and so we'll just set that right here. And so yeah, I will get back with you guys in a few minutes. So to make this into a flying saucer, we have to turn the motor around so the charges are on the opposite side. All right, so let me go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna take the fan off and then take both the things off here. We have to take the motor off, and then we have to take the motor off and then flip it around. Put it back together. Okay, so now the fan goes back on. Okay. I thought that it was going to lift up in the air and then fly. I was kind of disappointed that it only lifts up a few centimeters. And so we're going to actually try another project, Project 18, which is laser gun sounds. And so hopefully it'll work. I'm done putting it together, and so let's see if it works. Drum roll! Let me put my microphone to it. So me and my mom built another project. It's a light police siren. Let's test how it is here. It sounds like it's playing music too, see? So, I actually, I think it's playing Happy Birthday. And so let me take my microphone off so you can hear it. All right. Okay, let me just put my microphone right here. See if you guys can do it. Happy birthday to you. That was the Snap Circuits Junior kit. This would be perfect for rainy days like today, you know, building something. Thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed, then be sure to leave a like. Also, be sure to comment down below, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Wah! And so yeah, so we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.